Pantech, a Taiwanese company, has been in the power business for more than 10 years. Over the years, we have built up a world-class product platform. Today, our products are from 1 watt to 150 watts for telecom, medical, business machine, and home appliance, and many other areas. To have the product excellence is not enough. We realize it's better to provide total solution to the customer. It's, our new products is LED driver. It's designed for panel lights and street lights. The power rating is from 40 watts to 200 watts. It's certified to UL, GS, and other agencies. It's one of the best one on the market today. We started from 10 years ago. Every year we come to the China Sourcing Fair. We realize it's our the accountable partner for us to promote our business on the world. It's really fruitful, and we'll come back again next time.